WINSTA IDC expands the WINSTA system to include insulation displacement components. If a particularly high concentration of tap-offs is required, WINSTA IDC guarantees an especially fast and flexible installation, thanks to insulation displacement connection. The flat cable can be contacted at each required point without disconnecting it and without having to cut the cable. No special tools are required. As many tap-offs as are necessary can be added without prior planning. The lengthwise tapping direction in relation to the cable itself also allows use in cable channels. WINSTA IDC offers 5-wire flat cables, 2.5 and 4 square millimeters for energy supply. 2-wire flat cables, 1.5 square millimeters for signal lines, and a combination of both. The corresponding supply modules are available for this. The tap-off modules are designed in such a way that the consumer loads can again be integrated into the installation by plugging.